The batch control log is a super useful tool for your production team. This printable checklist helps them take notes and track everything that needs to be recorded in a production. Let's take a look at how you can use this. First up is the pick list. This shows you all the ingredients that you'll need to complete your production. In this case, we're doing a production run that has 2 batches, so it will show us the ingredients for both batches. In this case, the lot codes are blank so that the production team can write those down as they grab the ingredients. However, if you assign ingredient lot codes in your production run, these will be populated in your batch control log, making sure that your production team grabs the ingredients from the right lot. You can adjust the font of the batch control log or move the pick list to the bottom depending on how you want things to print out. Keep in mind that the order that you set ingredients in your recipe is the order that they'll appear in the batch control log. So if you want things to happen in a particular order, you can rearrange those elements in your recipe. Additionally, you can add non-food ingredients like labor steps. Doing this makes sure that the process is clear, accessible, and most importantly, followed consistently. You have space to take run level notes like the time of production, who worked on it, and what you produced. You also have options on how you want to track each batch. You can choose between a table per batch, a single table, which may make it easier to add up everything just going across, or a single batch. Batch control log is a great tool to help your team consistently follow and track your production processes.